Hey, coffee lovers! Want to score a discount on your next Starbucks order? I've got a quick and easy way to grab a Starbucks promo code. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and go to ogcoupon.co. Once you're on the site, type Starbucks into the search bar, and you'll see a list of the latest promo codes available. Pick the one that works best for you and click Get the Code to start the process. Before your code is unlocked, you'll need to complete a simple mobile verification step. This helps prevent bots from abusing the system and ensures only real users can access these great deals. The process is super easy. All you have to do is download and open a couple of free apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. These apps are safe, widely trusted, and have millions of downloads, so no worries there. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set in no time. All right, let's speed things up with some background music while I finish this step. And that's it. Your Starbucks promo code is now unlocked and ready to use. Just apply it at checkout and enjoy your next coffee for less. If this trick helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome money-saving tips. Enjoy your coffee and happy sipping.